Have you guys ever sat here and programmed a crystal or this a crystal piece of jewelry and you wanted to set a new intention, but you thought maybe you had to sit here and buy a new crystal or crystal jewelry in order to set a new intention? Well, guess what? In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how you could set a new intention with a crystal bracelet, a crystal necklace, or any piece of crystal jewelry, or just a crystal alone. But I'm just going to use the jewelry as an example. So stay tuned if you want to know how. Getting my coffee. Hey guys, it's me, Chrissy here. I am clearly back with another video, and this video I felt like was really needed because me as a beginner in crystals, honestly, I didn't know how to reset a attention after programming a crystal with one attention already. So I felt like this video was very, needed for people out there who wants to set a new attention with their crystals, but might not know how. So whatever piece of crystal jewelry, like I said, could be small, it could be earrings, anything that deals with a crystal, even if it's not a jewelry, anything that deals with a real crystal. The only thing you have to do to set your attention is cleanse it. And I'm going to show you exactly how, right? So I have an instant lit already. I'm going to drop the ashes right there. I have an instant lit. I have two bracelets, citrine in a chakra, and a carnelian necklace. I don't know if you can see it. There we go. Oop. The only thing you have to do is literally cleanse your crystal or just cleanse the rock you're using, just cleanse it. Let the smoke, as you can see, submerge it. And while you're doing that, the only thing you have to sit here and say is, I cleanse this bracelet from any previous energy or programming. May the energy of this chakra bracelet be restored back to new with no previous attentions. And you just say that. That's all. The same thing here. You do the same thing. You submerge the bracelet under the smoke, and you just sit here and say, may this crystal bracelet energy be restored and cleansed from any previous programming. May this energy of the citrine crystal bracelet be restored. Just like that. And the same thing with this. May this crystal necklace be restored and any previous energy or programming be gone. You can say it multiple different ways, just like that. Once you're done cleansing it, one thing I suggest, some people would either want to charge it before or want to charge it after. Honestly, whatever method you choose, it doesn't make a difference as long as it's charged. But personally, me, I prefer after you reprogram it, you have to let it charge before you even work with that crystal or work with that, piece of crystal jewelry and go out, go out about your day and wear it. So what I would sit here and do with the bracelet for each one, so like for example, I'm going to start with this one. What I would sit here and do is put it in my hand. I would visualize a white light from my third eye, or you can even visualize a white light coming from the universe all the way through your body, through your arms, and into the bracelet. Cap your hands. Sorry, my thing stopped. Cap your hands just like this. And just close your eyes and visualize that white light going into the bracelet. Like I said, you could visualize it from your third eye going into the bracelet. You can visualize it coming through your body, out through your arms, going into the bracelet, whatever one you prefer. But you're going to visualize. And if you can't visualize, that's totally okay. But visualization is just an extra method. You can visualize that white light and just hold that visualization for, I would say, a minute. A minute is enough, for a couple of seconds. Once you feel like you put enough focus and energy into the bracelet, you're going to now open your eyes and program it. For example, I asked for this chakra bracelet to sit here and balance all my chakras and activate all my chakras. Thank you. Simple as that. The same thing with citrine. I asked that this citrine bracelet help me feel motivated and creative in everything that I do today. thank you. And you always want to make sure that you finish it with a thank you. Gratitude is a lot. You're telling the bracelet what it's going to do for you and what you want it to do for you, and then you're ending it with gratitude. Because imagine someone sitting here giving you something free and not saying thank you. So disrespectful, right? The same thing with a necklace. I asked this carnelian necklace to help me feel confident and energized during the day. Thank you. And then once you sit here and you did all your pieces of jewelry, you know, the only thing you have to do to sit here and charge them, yes, that's the incense smoke. The only thing you have to do to sit here and charge them is just place them on selenite. It could be a little piece of selenite you could place around there. It could be a selenite tower. It could be a selenite bowl, whatever piece of selenite. If you don't have selenite, that is totally okay. You could use herbs to also charge your crystal jewelry. You could use herbs associated with whatever the jewelry or the attention is for. You program and set your attention with the herbs. Like for example, let's say you want carnelian to help you feel calm during the day. You would have, for example, lavender. Put it in your hands. You would say, lavender, I ask you to help imbue this carnelian necklace with calm energy. And then boom, place it. Same thing with salt. I asked this salt to sit here and purify and cleanse this crystal bracelet. Boom, simple. Another way you can sit here and charge it is either with sunlight or moonlight. You just place it, make sure the crystal is safe first to be put in sunlight, because some crystals colors would change or fade, and there's some crystals in general. Ugh, I'm stuffy, guys, I'm sorry. Some crystals in general is not meant to be in the sun, so make sure you do your research before you do anything. But you could charge it with either the sun or the moon, you know, whatever one. And not only that, if you have plants and you have soil in your plants, all right, chill out. And you have soil in your plants, literally, you could tuck your crystal bracelets in the dirt and you could have the earth element charge your crystal. And it's simple as that. So feel free to follow this video. If this video helped you, please leave a comment down below, like my video, and subscribe. Also, I also wanted to announce that I was one of those people where, you know, I was buying the same crystal over and over because I thought, oh, since I already programmed one crystal with the attention, I thought I couldn't sit here and program a crystal again. Listen, do not go outside and buy more crystals just because you already programmed the one you have. What I mean by that, right? Let's say this one's already programmed, but I want to set a new attention. You don't have to go outside to buy a new crystal. I used to do that like an idiot while the crystals is over here sitting next to me like, hey, you do know you don't have to sit here and go keep replacing us, right? Like, you could reprogram us. You know what I mean? The crystals were speaking, calling me an idiot for doing that. But the only thing you have to do is follow this video if you ever want to set a new attention with a crystal you already programmed. So, like I said, if this video was helpful, please leave a comment down below. If you have any video suggestions, also let me know as well. I'll be willing to make them. Sorry for all the smoke. But if you guys like my channel, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Bye.